What's up YouTube? This is Ben from Rad Tech. Today we're on video number 8 of our PC building series, and we're talking about power sources or PSUs. Now you might look at this and think that it's Medusa, but you would be wrong. This right here is a power source and all of the power cables that you'll be using in your PC. Power sources are one of the easiest things to buy when you're looking for a PC. All you have to do is figure out how much power your PC will be using, and then you buy a power source based on the amount of watts. NEWEGG.com has a power calculator that'll help you figure out how much power your PC parts will be using. I'll be linking that site down in the description. When I used that site, I put all my parts in and I found out that my PC will only be using 329 watts. Apparently I went overkill by buying a 650 watt power supply, but I like the idea that I'll be able to upgrade my parts without having to buy a new power source to handle all the extra load. If you think that down the line you'll be upgrading your PC, it's best to buy a power source with extra power overhead to be able to handle all those upgrades. Another thing to look for when you're buying a power source is the efficiency. If you see on the box an icon that says 80+, that means that your power source will be 80% efficient. More efficient power supplies means that you'll be pulling in less power from your power company and your PC will be a little bit cooler. There's multiple versions of the 80+ certification. There's 80+ bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and titanium. Those are all upgrades of the 80+. So an 80+ certification means that it's 80% efficient. 80+ bronze means that it's 82%. And then all the way up to 80+ titanium means that it's 92% efficient. As with other parts that we've talked about, you'll also want to make sure that these power supplies will fit inside your case. You can get different sizes of power supplies, so you'll want to look into that and whether it'll fit inside your case. You'll want to look into how modular your power supply will be. In terms of cabling, there's 3 different kinds of power supplies you can get. There's fully hardwired, there's modular, and there's hybrid. Some power supplies come with all the power connectors directly attached into the power supply. Power supplies like this one, though, have some of the cables removable, like this. Fully modular means that all the connectors are able to be removed. This will help when you're wiring your computer because this makes it easier to cable your system. You'll also want to make sure that the power supply that you get has all the connections that you need. If you have many hard drives, you'll need many power connectors. So that's one thing to keep in mind. When it comes to cabling your system, having neater cable management will make your PC look so much better. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, follow me on Instagram, and comment down below how many watts your power supply can supply and what you're powering with it. Thanks for watching. Peace.